Divine origin and birth. Lord Murugan, also known as Kartikeya, Skanda, Subramanya, and Kumara, is a powerful deity in Hinduism, especially revered by Tamil devotees. His birth is linked to a cosmic battle between the Devas, celestial beings, and the demon Surapadman. The Devas were tormented by Surapadman and his brothers, Simhamukhan and Tarakasuran, who had gained immense power through rigorous penance and boons from Lord Shiva. Unable to defeat them, the Devas sought Lord Shiva's intervention. At this time, Shiva was in deep meditation. Lord Indra, the king of the Devas, approached Kamadeva, the god of love, to awaken Shiva. Kamadeva's arrow of love disturbed Shiva's meditation, but in his anger, Shiva burned Kamadeva to ashes. However, as a result, Shiva's divine energy manifested as 6 sparks of fire from his third eye. These sparks were carried by the river Ganga and deposited in a pond called Saravana Poigai. There, 6 divine maidens, the Kritikas, nurtured the sparks, which transformed into 6 beautiful babies. Goddess Parvati lovingly embraced all 6 infants at once, merging them into one divine child with 6 faces. This child was Lord Murugan, also called Shanmukha, the 6-faced one. He grew up with extraordinary wisdom, strength, and divine powers. Murugan as the warrior god. As he matured, Murugan was chosen by the gods to lead their celestial army against Surapadman. Before heading into battle, he was blessed by his parents, Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. Parvati gifted him the divine spear, the Vel, which became his most powerful weapon. With great devotion and valor, Murugan led the divine forces. His battle against Surapadman lasted for days. Eventually, he split the demon in 2 with his Vel. From the demon's remains, Murugan created a peacock, his mount, and a rooster, his banner, symbolizing victory over evil. Murugan's marriage. After his victory, Murugan was worshipped as the protector of the Devas. Later, he married 2 divine consorts. Devasena, Valli in Tamil tradition. She was the daughter of Indra and was betrothed to Murugan by the celestial beings. Valli, a tribal princess, deeply devoted to Murugan. He tested her devotion by appearing in different disguises before finally revealing his divine form and marrying her. His 2 wives symbolize different aspects of devotion. Devasena represents divine duty, Kriya Shakti, and Valli represents pure devotion and love, Ichcha Shakti. Murugan's role as a teacher. Lord Murugan is not just a warrior but also the god of wisdom. In Tamil tradition, he is regarded as the embodiment of knowledge. He once tested his brother, Lord Ganesha, with a challenge to circle the universe. While Murugan set out on his peacock, Ganesha simply circled his parents, Shiva and Parvati, explaining that they represent the entire universe. Realizing this deep truth, Murugan acknowledged Ganesha's wisdom and humbly sought knowledge himself. He is also said to have imparted the sacred meaning of Om to his father, Shiva, earning him the title Swaminatha, the teacher of Shiva. The 6 abodes of Murugan is especially revered in Tamil Nadu, where 6 temples, known as the Arupadai Vidu, mark his major divine feats. Tiruparankuндram, where he married Devasena; Tiruchendur, where he defeated Surapadman; Palani, associated with his renunciation and deep wisdom; Swamimalai, where he taught Shiva the meaning of Om; Tiruthani, symbolizing his peace and withdrawal from war; Pajamudircholai, where he graces devotees with blessings. Murugan's eternal presence. Lord Murugan is considered the protector of devotees, a granter of wisdom, and a remover of obstacles. His festival Thaipusam is celebrated with great fervor by Tamil communities worldwide. Devotees seek his blessings for courage, success, and enlightenment. He remains a beloved and revered deity, embodying strength, knowledge, and divine love, guiding his devotees on the path of righteousness and spiritual fulfillment.